Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. The fine folks over at Retekess asked me if I wanted to take a look at one of their newer radios. And when I saw it, I was like, yeah, because I can't believe that such a beast exists in 2025. It's the TR641. I think you guys are going to get a kick out of this. Very unusual to see something like this in the future. Got a nice manual here. I'm just going to pull it out and see if any of you can figure out why it is I said yes to this. All right. Got a nice little carrying handle here, but does anybody know what's going on here? Can anyone see what's going on here? That's what's going on here. It's a brand new cassette deck. And I don't know about you, but I still have a whole bunch of cassettes. Not music anymore. I don't have a ton of that. But I have recordings that I taped of Art Bell's Coast to Coast show back in the late 90s and early 2000s on tape. You know, where you'd hit record and fall asleep to that stuff and never caught the end of the episode. And I kept a bunch of those. And I have some other tapes too, stuff from the family from way, way back in time. And so I'm excited for this, for this reason. And here's where it really gets cool. We can record, we have an SD port here. So I can take my cassettes that are my old cassettes that still have all that cool stuff on it, and I can record them to SD. So that is the reason that I got this thing. I think it's really cool. So you can record to a USB, you can record to an SD card, and of course, it's not the only, you can actually record, it's an AM FM radio as well, and antenna here and everything. And it does come with a 110, power plug. So I'll plug it into the wall and you can operate it like a regular radio. But it just, for me, it just blew me away that this was available. And it really serves a purpose. I don't know, I'd love you chime in the comments section. Let me know, do you have old cassette tapes still? Because I do. Awesome. So let me get the, I'll zoom in a little bit. Let me unplug this. I'll zoom in a little bit, kind of go over some of the features and functions with you. Up here on top, we have the eject button, the stop button, fast forward, rewind, play, and record. Over here, band select. Now this is not a shortwave, this is just AM and FM. And here's our tuning dial. Okay, on the back, we have a place to put AA batteries. Looks like it takes 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 AA's. We do have a little carrying handle, which is nice. It reminds me of like an 80s beach radio. Not quite a boombox, but a beach radio where you just take this thing, throw it in the sand, and listen to whatever you wanted to listen to. The front is where, I guess on this side we have our volume control. And we also have power, AC power, shore power. Right on the front, that's where things get interesting. So we have USB and TF, previous, play, pause, next. We have file, REP, I'll have to look up what that means. Repeat, I imagine. Record, and Bluetooth. So it also is a Bluetooth player. And rounding it out is a nice speaker right here. Pretty sweet. Let's take a look at the manual real quick too. TR641, it is 49 pages, all in English? You're kidding me. Wow, pretty in-depth. Tape recording. So it's a record. You can actually still record a tape if you have brand new tapes, which I don't know. Do they sell brand new tapes? I know they stopped selling new VHS tapes. I have a couple VHS players. I used to record Sven Gulli on my VHS, and they stopped selling those. So I've been recording and re-recording and re-recording, but my tapes are about done for. And I can't find a new VHS tape. You can find new old stock sometimes on eBay, but nothing brand new. Oh, okay, so we're not looking at 49 pages. It's also in other languages. So in English, it looks like, 7 pages in English, just enough to go over the features and functions, because it's a pretty simplistic radio, and I think that's actually one of the selling points on this, is that this is something that your grandparents or your mother and father, if they're getting on an age like, well, my father's passed, but my mother, this would be something she would be able to easily use. big buttons, fairly well marked out. She may not have much use for Bluetooth functions and USB functions, but a cassette player and an AM/FM radio is something that everybody still uses. Let's see over here. So TF, or micro SD card. It does have an earphone jack, regular USB, and then we do have some switches here. So we have USB, TF, and Bluetooth. Then we have tape and off, and then we have radio. So those are the 3 settings. All the way up is radio, middle is tape, and when we're not playing a tape, it shuts the radio and all the functions off. And then on the bottom, if you want to listen to Bluetooth, or if you want to listen to the SD card recordings that you've made, that's a way to do that. Pretty awesome. Well, I'm going to plug it in. I don't have any cassette tapes up here. I don't think I do, unfortunately. Even if I did, they're family stuff, so it's personal. I can't play Art Bell stuff because it's copyrighted, so kind of dead end there. But what we can do is just check out the AM and FM functions real quick and show you how the screen lights up and whatnot. So let me get the camera a little closer in here. I'll go ahead and plug this in, and we'll get it turned on, and we'll see what we got. All right, well, here we go. And eject, obviously. But then we also have play, and you can hopefully see in there. It's a little dimly lit in here today, but it does play. Fast forward, rewind, and of course record as well as eject. AM and FM. We will start off on the FM band. I'll turn it all the way down. I've got to be real careful with copyright, as you probably know if you've heard my stuff before, but we'll give it a shot. So it does sound like it's a digital tuner.
What is most important? Remember, he gives us all things, and that we take that and we keep our focus and eyes up to him. Yeah, he's going to give us all the cool things along the way, a lot of good things. But may they never
sounds pretty good.
The giver of those good things. Money can't.
The final scene, like the way we made that show, was incredibly collaborative. Mm-hmm. And so that...
Yeah, I'd say it's a pretty crisp sound.
Reference and...
Now, if you've been following my channel, you'll know that AM up here is just about a lost cause, but we'll give it a quick run. That's crazy. Wow. This is getting more stations. Than some of the high dollar radios I have. Holy cow. Wow. Okay. So that picked up 3 AM stations pretty good, pretty clearly. That's awesome. I was just thinking about something too. So you got the handle on the back there. I wonder, yeah, you could prop it up and use it as, you know, like a stand, a kickstand for it. Well, I guess that'll do it. That's the Retekess TR641, a very unique old school setup here, but with all new parts. I mean, finding a cassette player in 2025, that's pretty awesome. I'll leave a link to where you can get one, and I'll see you next time. Take care.